When you're in a small boutique law firm, you don't do everything. You don't do mergers and acquisitions. You don't do tax. You don't do trusts and estates. The important thing that business litigation and class action litigation has provided for the firm, I think, is a unique niche where we can serve a portion of the legal needs of the community that other people aren't serving.
And I think what makes us perhaps unique from many other firms is that when we get involved in those cases, we frequently are willing to partner with the individual or the business with respect to the alternative fee arrangements, the kinds of things that we can do in a business litigation case that other firms might not is first of all a flat fee. Or we can assess it and say, we're willing to help share that risk with you. That we can agree to what might be a partial contingency fee. There might be a certain commitment from the client, but we're willing to share that risk, and depending on the outcome, we may or may not get additional compensation.
Another law firm will refer a case to us knowing that we'll be dedicated to achieving the result in that individual case, but we won't steal the client. We won't take all their business. We won't do their merger and acquisition work. We won't do their tax work. And so the fact that that's the way we operate, I think, brings us a lot of business because other law firms have confidence in us in achieving the result and in not attempting to take away the client from them.
Well, there are very few firms, particularly small firms, that can bring the experience and the expertise to this kind of litigation that we can bring. With Henry and Will and I particularly, we all have many years of experience in litigating complicated cases and going toe-to-toe with the largest law firms of the country and being successful against them. And in business litigation, you're often doing that. So you want somebody who is not going to be intimidated by a Fortune 500 corporation or the largest firms in the country. We've been against them, we've been successful against them, and we've done it in a small firm environment, which I think often works better with particular clients in terms of the relationships that are established, as well as the flexible fee arrangements that we can offer.